Ever stared at your screen, comparing international money transfer services, feeling like you're deciphering a secret code? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of Wise, Trustpilot, and Airwallex. Wait, Trustpilot? What's that doing in the mix? Stick around, and you'll see exactly how it fits into this financial puzzle. Let's kick things off with Wise, formerly known as TransferWise. What exactly is it? At its core, Wise is all about making international money transfers cheaper and more transparent. They achieve this by using the real mid-market exchange rate, the same one you see on Google, and charging low, upfront fees. No hidden costs, no sneaky markups on the exchange rate. Whether you're sending money to family overseas, paying international freelancers, or handling business transactions across borders, Wise aims to simplify the process and save you money. They offer multi-currency accounts, allowing you to hold and manage various currencies, and even provide debit cards for spending like a local in different countries. Think of them as a savvy, tech-forward alternative to traditional banks for international finance. Now, where does Trustpilot come into play? Trustpilot isn't a money transfer service itself. Instead, it's a platform where customers can leave reviews and share their experiences with businesses, including financial service providers like Wise and Airwallex. So, while Wise facilitates the movement of your money, Trustpilot offers a window into the experiences of other users. It's where you can gauge the trustworthiness and reliability of these services based on real feedback. Looking at Trustpilot reviews for Wise can give you insights into their customer support, the speed of their transfers, and the overall satisfaction of their user base. It's an invaluable tool for building confidence before entrusting your money to a particular platform. This brings us to Airwallex. Similar to Wise, Airwallex is a global payments platform designed primarily for businesses. While Wise caters to both individuals and businesses, Airwallex focuses on providing more comprehensive financial solutions for companies operating internationally. Think of features like multi-currency business accounts, mass payouts, expense management tools, and integrations with popular accounting software. Airwallex often handles larger transaction volumes and offers more tailored solutions for businesses with complex international financial needs, such as e-commerce businesses or those with global supply chains. While both Wise and Airwallex offer international money transfers, Airwallex often comes with more advanced features geared towards business operations. So, what's the key takeaway here? Wise is a strong contender for individuals and businesses looking for transparent and cost-effective international money transfers, backed by generally positive user reviews on platforms like Trustpilot. Trustpilot itself is not a financial service but a crucial resource for assessing the reputation and reliability of services like Wise and Airwallex. Airwallex, on the other hand, offers a more robust suite of financial tools specifically designed for businesses navigating the complexities of international finance. Choosing between them depends entirely on your needs. Are you an individual sending money occasionally? Wise might be the perfect fit. Are you a business dealing with frequent international transactions and needing more sophisticated financial management tools? Airwallex could be the better choice. And regardless of which you're considering, always take a peek at Trustpilot to see what other users are saying. It's like getting a sneak peek behind the curtain before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.